Good morning. We are almost 4 weeks old, and Mom has decided that she is going to jump out of the pen when she doesn't want to be in there. So we're transitioning. This will be their first puppy meal that's not milk.
Come on, Smokey, be my big dog. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's my good dogs. That's my good dogs. How do you feel about this? Your job is over. You've done everything you needed to do. You're gonna be our next contestant?
That's the same one, isn't it?
No. Oh my God, look at your eyes. They are so beautiful. Is your sister eating? Is your sister into something that you haven't figured out yet? Is that what's going on? Oh, could it be?
Too much kibble.
Could it
She's
be?
actually.
Could it be that if we do that, we get to eat something?
She can go in there and clean it up after everyone's
It's not
done.
necessarily the best manners. Smokey's gonna come back for more, or if Smokey is like done? I think Smokey's done.
They put a pretty decent dent in that dog food.
Oh yeah. They did a great job. You have a new color scheme though. No? Yeah, you have a completely new color scheme. I'm going to be very curious to weigh them tomorrow. Not tonight, but tomorrow will be an interesting weigh-in.
When is too young to give them a bath?
Dr. Shea says.
Dr. Shea says you want to wait as long as possible, but if you absolutely had to give them a bath, then just make sure you get them really dry.
And this one has decided I'm just going to eat whatever's left on my brother and just go for it that way.
That was like puppy food coma.
God, you're beautiful. Those eyes are so gorgeous. Look at that.